What is up, peeps? Got my diff back today for my brand new A6 LF2. This is normally a front wheel drive Kia Optima. It was a 2.0 turbo with a lot of upgrades. Even with slicks on it, this factory open diff was an amazing one wheel peeler. 400 wheel horse is not too shabby in a front wheel drive car. So I sent this out and kind of see what's going on in there now. They converted this over to an LSD. So I'm pretty stoked to get this back in the car. Remove two of the spider gears and wedge this block in the spring. Like a little bit of machine work and just some reassembly. So that'll go back in the transmission pretty easily. It's all just bolted in on this side. I have to reseal it obviously, and then we're going to flip the tranny over, and I have to pull the entire pump and everything out of the other side of it in order to get to the clutches. So I got a full clutch kit from Raybestos as well. Be some nasty grippers for her. Much better than the factory ones. Well, these are the new high temp ones they made. And on a brand new transmission, LSD, brand new engine, I think we're gonna turn it up to like 7,600, maybe 8,000 RPM, and we'll see what she'll do. Stick around.